45 seconds until launch. The vehicle now on internal power. The first umbilical has retracted. We are now standing by for the start of the initiation of the engine start sequence. The auto sequence has now been initiated. Launch command has been initiated. We have engine start. Turbo pumps coming up to flight speed. And liftoff. Liftoff of the 64th Progress resupply craft bound for the International Space Station. The Progress arcing out to the northeast. Good roll, pitch, and yaw program reported. All parameters are reported to be normal. Chamber pressures reported to be good. All structural parameters are operating normally. Good yaw, pitch, and roll program. 1 minute, 15 seconds into the flight. The blockhouse in Baikonur reports everything proceeding normally. We'll be standing by for first stage shutdown and separation from the vehicle. 1 minute, 50 seconds into the flight. And there you have it, first stage separation, everything normal. The Soyuz booster and the Progress resupply craft, 30 miles in altitude, 73 miles downrange, traveling almost 4,000 miles an hour. All structural parameters continue to be reported as normal from the blockhouse at Baikonur. Двигатель второй ступени работает нормально.